then subscribe. If you're new to the channel, just subscribe to the channel. Give a subscription to the channel to boost us to do more videos for you. Once the subscribers are moving, you move on into the forest to bring a lot of leaves, plants, roots, stems to teach extensively. There are a lot of diseases that plants can heal. Yes, even all medicines are made from plant extracts, unless you don't know. Yes, they are made from plant extracts. Welcome back to my channel once again. This is Plant Lifestyles. Today I'm going to teach you how to use this Prekese and then the African basil or the basil leaf to cure stomach ulcer. Yes, I'm going to teach you how to make the combination. This is the combination. This is the leaf I'm talking about. That is the African basil or the sweet basil to treat stomach ulcer in addition with this Prekese. So this is what we are going to do. This is a short video. Just like the video, comment, and then subscribe. If you're new to the channel, just subscribe to the channel. Give a subscription to the channel to boost us to do more videos for you. Once the subscribers are moving, you move on into the forest to bring a lot of leaves, plants, roots, stems to teach extensively. There are a lot of diseases that plants can heal. Yes, even all medicines are made from plant extracts, unless you don't know. Yes, they are made from plant extracts. So except a few ones are made from, not all, but a few ones are made from animals. By higher percentage are made from that is the plants. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So this is how we are going to do. We are going to get enough leaves. So we are going to get enough leaves of this. Yes, we will get enough leaves. Once you get enough leaves, this leaf is not enough, but make sure you get enough leaves. Once you have enough leaves, of it, you can also find where it is, get enough leaves, and get Prekese. You can just get two. The galbanum, you can just get two, and then get enough of it. So if you have enough of this and then you have this, you are going to make a decoction. You are going to cut this Prekese into pieces, and you are going to gather enough leaves from this. You wash this and you wash it, and then add it to your cooking pot. Add water, boil it for 30 minutes. Put it there for 24 hours for the ingredients in the that is the leaves and the Prekese to suck into the water. Yes, so you leave it for 24 hours. For after 24 hours, you can just heat it a while before taking. You take it as you are taking your normal tea, but make sure you take it early in the morning before food. Yes, you take this early in the morning to make sure the wounds are healed. This one is a number one wound healer. So in my community, when you finish give birth, and they want to treat your sores and all those. They make decoction from this for you to take. So look at it where this Prekese is very powerful. It's very powerful tool for that is a powerful tool for treating sores. Yes, so wounds and sores are being treated. If you use this Prekese, it's very good. So once in the morning, you take the decoction before food. In the afternoon, you take it in the afternoon after food. Yes, 1 hour after food, and in the evening 1 hour after food. Or you can even take it 30 minutes before food in the afternoon, 30 minutes before food in the evening, so that you heal your inner wounds. There are sores and wounds inside your stomach. That is why you feel pains. That's basically how we are going to use this to treat your stomach ulcer. Chronic stomach ulcers are being even treated in the community with these two combinations. The reason why I want to use this is why this one it calms the pains in sores. If you're having a sore and you put this one, it calms the pain like anti-inflammatory. So when the pain starts to arise, it serves as a painkiller. it reduces the pain, and this one heals wounds. So once you combine, it brings down the pains of the wounds. Yeah, so the combination is very best for you to treat your stomach ulcer. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Like the video. If you're new, to subscribe. I have a lot to give you. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Because you've subscribed to the channel, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.